Ever pondered over the paycheck a wind turbine technician takes home? Let's dive in. A wind turbine technician, often found maintaining and repairing wind turbines, can expect a varying salary based on factors like location, experience, and employer. For those just starting, the annual salary typically falls between $40,000 and $60,000. But like any job, the specifics can change. Remember, these numbers can swing based on location and the employer. But what happens when you gain some experience in the field? Well, as you gather more years under your belt, your earning potential increases. Technicians with several years of experience can anticipate salaries from $50,000 to $80,000 or even more. And as for the seasoned pros, particularly those who've specialized or taken on leadership roles, they can pull in more than $80,000 a year, with some even crossing the illustrious $100,000 mark. Experience and specialization can indeed make a significant difference. But that's not all. There are other factors that influence how much a wind turbine technician makes. The location where you work plays a role. In areas with a high cost of living, salaries are often adjusted upwards. Your specializations and certifications can also boost your paycheck. The more specialized your knowledge, the higher your earning potential. Lastly, the size of your employer matters. Technicians at larger companies or utilities often earn more. So, the size of your paycheck can change based on where you live, your expertise, and the size of your employer. Let's circle back to our original question. In summary, wind turbine technicians can expect a wide range of salaries. Entry-level professionals may earn between $40,000 and $60,000 annually, while mid-level technicians may see figures between $50,000 and $80,000. Experienced technicians can earn well over $80,000, with some reaching six-figure salaries. Remember, these figures can fluctuate based on several factors. To stay updated, keep an eye on recent salary surveys and job listings, and don't forget to consider bonuses, overtime pay, and benefits. Stay curious and keep exploring.